Imagine a world where the headlines say coal is a thing of the past, yet the reality on the ground tells a completely different story. In late 2025, we are at a global crossroads. While Western nations are moving toward renewables, global coal demand has actually plateaued at a record-breaking 8.85 billion tons. We are not seeing a sudden collapse, instead, we are witnessing a massive shift in where coal is used and who is using it. For the first time in history, the engine of the global coal market has moved decisively to the east. In India, coal is not just a fuel, it is the backbone of an industrial revolution. Even though India produced over 1 billion tons of coal domestically this year, its appetite for energy is so vast that it remains a top global importer. To modernize, the government is even launching massive initial public offerings for major state-owned subsidiaries like Bharat Coking Coal and Mahandi coal fields. But to understand why the world cannot simply quit coal, we must look beyond electricity. Most people think of coal as something we burn for power, which is known as thermal coal. However, there is a much more valuable version called metallurgical coal. This is a vital chemical ingredient. Without it, we cannot make steel at the scale the modern world requires. To turn iron ore into the steel used in our cars and skyscrapers, we need coke. This is created by heating coal to over 1100 degrees Celsius until it becomes a carbon-rich skeleton. Inside a blast furnace, this coal performs a chemical miracle, stripping oxygen away from iron ore to create pure molten metal. Because India is building cities at a record pace, its need for this steel-making coal is skyrocketing. Since India lacks high-quality domestic reserves of this specific grade, it has built a massive global trade network. Australia remains a primary partner, but 2025 has seen a dramatic shift. Russia has surged forward as a top supplier by offering steep discounts that major steel giants cannot ignore. As we look ahead, the dream of green steel and hydrogen power is growing, but these technologies are still years away. For now, the global economy is caught in a paradox. We are dreaming of a green future while relying on a carbon-heavy past to build it. In 2025, the age of coal is far from over.